Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a good week for Britain from Above. This week we actually passed the 50 subscribers milestone. So a huge thank you to each and every one of you for that. Really good, really good. Channel's seems to be growing quite quickly now. So as a thank you, I decided to do a giveaway competition for you. And it's going to be for one of these, the Vifly Strobe light. I use one of these myself and they are amazing. Pound for pound, I'd say they're probably one of the best strobe lights that you can use. 3-mile visibility, 10 different modes on them, 3 different colours. Just give you a quick demonstration of it now. So you've got the white, strobing, flashing. Solid lights. You've got the red with all the same modes. And then there's the green as well. You definitely see them. Amazing for night flying. Only weigh 6 grams as well, so perfect. Won't put you over the 250 gram limit. Right, so I'm going to run this competition for the subscribers only. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you want to join us in helping this channel grow, then hit the subscribe link now. So I have actually done some previous videos on the Vifly strobe light, some reviews on it. So for those of you that haven't already seen it, what I'll do is I'll put a link on at the end of this video and also in the description. Monday the 20th of November the competition will run till, and the winner will be drawn for the Thursday the 23rd video. So that's 2 weeks from today, the winner will be notified. Right, so if you'd like to enter, then all you need to do is hit the like button. Just drop a comment in the comment section. Just put whatever you want in there, enter, and I'll reply to each and every one of you with a number, which will be drawn at random. The competition obviously is going to run from up till the Monday the 20th, and the winner notified by the 23rd. So make sure you've got your comment in before the Monday. So once again, thanks to each and every one of you for your continued support. It really does mean a lot. And let's aim for the next milestone. We'll throw in another competition, I think, once we get to 100 subscribers. So hopefully that won't be too far away. So keep on watching the videos. Keep commenting, hitting the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Got plenty more videos to come. Stay tuned.